In this video, I'm going to show you how to get toys in Once Human and how to place toys around your territory. So, some of these deviants over here will require you to place toys around for them to be happier, okay? And that's how you get them. You want to press escape first, and then click over here to where it says new rewards and stuff like this. You want to click over here and click on season goals. In here, you want to click on season shop, top right, and go down here to where it says Furniture Formula Phase 1. And then over here, you can see the plushie toy. You can move it around and see what it looks like. And as you can see, you can buy this for 1,000 Starcrom, okay? You can simply press buy now and then confirm your purchase once you have 1,000 Starcroms, and it will be added to your inventory. From there, you can simply place it around wherever you would like to place it, and that's pretty much it. That's how you get toys in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.